The US General Mini Steel Toolbox offers a practical and compact solution for organizing your tools, making it a great addition to any workshop, home, or office. Despite its small footprint, it packs a punch with its durable construction and thoughtful features. Let's dive into the details and explore what makes this toolbox a valuable option for those who need a reliable way to store their hand tools and accessories. The toolbox is constructed from tough steel, coated with a powder finish that provides both wear and rust resistance. This robust design ensures that the toolbox can withstand regular use, making it a solid choice for both DIY enthusiasts and professionals. The steel construction is complemented by corrosion-resistant aluminum drawer trim, enhancing both the aesthetics and durability of the unit. One of the standout features of this toolbox is the magnetic drawer locking mechanism. This adds a layer of security, keeping your tools safely stored while preventing accidental drawer opening. The compact design measures just 6 inches in height and length and 11 inches in width, making it easy to store in small spaces, yet still offering plenty of organizational potential. The US General Mini Steel Toolbox comes with 2 drawers, each capable of holding up to 5 pounds of weight, providing a total working load of 10 pounds. While this isn't designed for heavy-duty storage, it is perfect for organizing smaller hand tools, such as screwdrivers, pliers, and wrenches. The drawers feature ball-bearing slides, ensuring smooth operation and easy access to your tool. In addition to the 2 drawers, the toolbox includes a convenient top compartment that opens at an angle of over 90 degrees, providing easy access to tools and accessories. This top compartment is ideal for storing frequently used items, keeping them within arm's reach. The non-slip drawer liners are a nice touch, ensuring that your tools stay in place even when the toolbox is moved or transported. This toolbox is designed with portability in mind. The small, lightweight build, weighing just 6.18 pounds, makes it easy to carry around, whether you're working in a garage, on-site, or at a job. The ball-bearing slides in the drawers allow for smooth operation, and the magnetic locks ensure that the drawers remain securely shut when not in use. The top compartment also stays open at an angle greater than 90 degrees, making it easy to access your tools without worrying about the lid closing unexpectedly. The compact size of the US General Mini Steel Toolbox also makes it a good choice for organizing small items in tight spaces. Whether you're using it in a workbench drawer or on a shelf, this toolbox doesn't take up too much room, but it offers ample storage for your everyday tools and accessories. Pros: durable construction. The toolbox is made of tough steel with a powder-coated finish, ensuring it's resistant to wear and rust. Magnetic drawer locks. The magnetic mechanism keeps the drawers securely closed when not in use. Compact and portable. Its small size makes it easy to transport and store without sacrificing too much storage space. Smooth operation. The ball-bearing slides in the drawers ensure that accessing your tools is easy and efficient. Non-slip liner. The included drawer liners help keep your tools organized and in place. Cons: limited weight capacity. While the toolbox is great for smaller tools, the total working load of 10 pounds may not be sufficient for those with heavier tool storage needs. No locking mechanism. The toolbox doesn't feature a built-in lock, which could be an issue for those who need to secure their tools in certain environments. The US General Mini Steel Toolbox is a highly functional and well-built storage solution for anyone looking to organize smaller tools and accessories. Its durability, compact size, and user-friendly design make it an ideal choice for DIY enthusiasts, mechanics, or anyone who needs a reliable and portable toolbox for lighter storage tasks.